Abraço a todos os inscritos do canal do Eric Vintage e bora de vídeo, pessoal. E nada mais como encerrar a noite escutando um belo de um equipamento receiver Macintosh Mac-1900. Olha que aparelho formidável. Já passei alguns vídeos para vocês aqui acompanhar. Vou fazer aqui o vídeo de um CD para a gente acompanhar um som aí, tá bom, pessoal? Ligando o aparelho, certo? Deixar um voluminho aqui maneiro pra gente. E vamos lá, vamos de música.
Friday night you and your boys went out to eat. Then they hung out, but you came home around 3. Yes, you did. If 6 of y'all went out, then 4 of you were really cheap. Yeah, 'cause only 2 of you had dinner. I found your credit card receipt. It's not right, but it's okay. I'm gonna make it anyway. Pack your bag up and leave. Don't you dare come running back to me. It's not right, but it's okay. I'm gonna make it anyway. Close the door behind you, leave your key. Rather be alone than unhappy. Yeah. I'm packing back so you can leave town for a week. Yes, I am. The phone rings, and then you look at me. Walk, turn and look at me. Said it was one of your friends down on 54th Street. So why did 2 and 3 show up on your car ID? I've been through all this before. Don't think about it. Get go. Things are gonna change, baby. You don't stand no chance, boy. Yeah. Soon we turn around. Let's go on tears and tears for you to see. Was it really going out like that? Tell me, see, I'm moving on, and I refuse to turn back. See, all this time, I thought I had somebody down for a day. It turns out you were making a fool of me. But it's okay. I'm gonna make it anyway. Pack your bag up and leave. Don't you dare come back to me. It's not right, but it's okay. I'm gonna make it anyway. You leave your key. Rather be alone than unhappy. It's not right, so baby, I'm paying my rent. Pay my light up and take care of my bills.
Baixando um pouquinho o volume para a gente poder encerrar o vídeo então, pessoal. É isso aí. Hoje trouxemos para vocês um lindo, maravilhoso receiver Macintosh Mac-1900. Espero que vocês tenham gostado. Quem gostou, deixe seu like, se inscreva no canal e logo voltaremos com mais novidades para vocês, pessoal. Um grande abraço do Eric Vintage de 1977 e até a próxima.